Hi, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 3.7, subtraction, using the standard algorithm with 3-digit numbers and decomposing tens. Now onto the warm-up. Tay is at a market and has 283 baht. There is a book that costs 37 baht and another book that costs 9 baht. So how much money will he have left if he buys the magazines about machines? So we have to calculate and subtract 37 from 283. And we can do that using the standard algorithm as shown here. 283 minus 37. 3 minus 7 is impossible. So we borrow 1 from 8, remaining 7. Bring the 1 to 3, making it 13. So 13 minus 7 will be 6. This remains 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. So the amount remained left will be 246. Now, if Tay buys the magazine about pets instead, how much money will he have left? So if he buys the pet, which costs 9 baht, so we're going to subtract 9 baht from 283. So 3 minus 9 is impossible. So we borrow 1 from here, remaining 7. Bring the 1 here, making 13. 13 minus 9 will be 4. 7 minus 0 will remain 7. 2 minus 0 will be 2. So if we have 274 baht left. Now let's go into the warm-up or the workout. Estimate the difference, then use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact difference. So 373 minus 49, the estimation will be 320. So let's see if our estimation is close to the answer. 3 minus 9 is impossible. Borrow 1 from 7, remains 6. Put the 1 here. 13 minus 9 will be 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. And 3. Yeah, we're very close. That's good. Now, let's estimate the subtraction of 37 from 652. The estimation will be 615. 615. Let's see. 2 minus 7 is impossible. Borrow 1 from 5, remain 4. Bring the 1 here. So 12 minus 7 will be 5. 4 minus 3 will be 1. 6. Oh, the estimate is correct. Now let's go on to part C. We have to borrow 1 from here, remain 6. Put the 1 here, making it 14. But let's write the estimate first. So the estimate here will be 520. So 14 minus 6 will be 7. Will be 8. 6 minus 4 will be 2 and 5. We are very close. Now right here, 846 minus 28 will be, the estimate will be 810. Let's say 810. So let's see. Borrow 1 from here, from 4, remain 3. Then bring the 1 here. 16 minus 9 will be 7. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 8 minus 0 is 8. We're very close. Now let's go on to number 2. Estimate how much money will be left after each purchase. Then use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact amount. So this is the amount in the wallet, and this is the amount, the price tag. So let's estimate when we subtract 35 from 472, what we have 430. So now let's see, we have 472 minus 35. We borrow 1 from 7, remains 6. We bring the 1 here. 12 minus 5 will be 7. 6 minus 3 will be 3 and 4. We are very close. Now let's estimate this one. So 145 minus 27 will remain, let's subtract 30 from here. So it will remain 115, because this is almost 30. So now let's use the standard algorithm to subtract. Borrow 1 from here, remain 3, bring the 1 here. 15 minus 7 will be 8. 3 minus 1 will be 1. We're very close. That's correct. So this is 35 and 261. So subtract 35 from here will be 255. So let's do the standard algorithm. So we have 261 minus 35. Borrow 1 from here, remain 5. Bring the 1 here, make it 11. 11 minus 5 will be 6. 5 minus 3 will be 2. And we have 2. And actually, this will be estimate 225. Let's round this up to be 20. So minus 20, 352 minus 20 will be 330. Now let's see. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here. 12 minus 8 will be 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 3. So we're very close. Let's round this up to be 10. So subtract 10 from this number, we have the estimate to be 530. So let's see if we get close to 530. Borrow 1 from here, remain 3, bring the 1 here. So 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 will be 4. 3 minus 0 will be 3 and 5. There you have it. Let's round this up to 40. Subtract 4 tenths from this will be 214. So let's say what we have. 254 minus 35. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here, 14. 14 minus 5 will remain 9. 4 minus 3 will remain 1 and 2. We're very close. Now round this up to 30. Then subtract 33 tenths from this will be 145. So let's see the exact amount. Fifteen minus 7 will be 8. 6 minus 2 will be 4 and 1. There you have it. Very close. Now make this up to 10. Remove 10 from here will be 626. Now let's calculate the actual amount. 16 minus 8 will be 8, 2, and 6. There you have it, folks. Now let's go into the fast finishers. Bella is thinking of a 3-digit number. Dome is thinking of a 2-digit number. The difference between their numbers is 148. Write two numbers that would give that difference. The two numbers that could, let's say one is 25. So the two numbers that will give that difference will be adding 148 to 25. 148 plus 25 will be 173. There you have it, folks. Now let's go on to the practice. 3.7. Let's round this up to 40. Remove 4 tenths from here will be, the estimate will now be 435. Now let's see the actual. Borrow 1 from here, remain 6. Bring the 1 here, 15 minus 6 will be 9. 6 minus 3 will be 3 and 4 for 30. Very close. Round this up to 50. Subtract 50 from this, we have 732. Now let's see the actual estimate. This will remain 7. Bring the 1 here. 12 minus 7 will be 5. 7 minus 4 will be 3. And we have 7. Estimate this to be 30. Subtract 30 from here will be 623. 623. So now let's do the actual calculation. Borrow 1 from here will remain 4. Bring the 1 here. 13 minus 8 will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 6. Very close, ain't it? Round this up to 20. Subtract 2 tenths from here will be 541. Now let's see. Borrow 1, remain 5. Bring the 1 here, making it 11 minus 9 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. And 5. Very close. Now, estimate how much money will be left after each purchase. Then use the standard subtraction algorithm to calculate the exact amount. So let's look at this. Let's round this up to 30. Subtract it will be 102. So let's see. 135, 132 minus 25. Borrow 1 from here, remain 2. Bring the 1 here, 12. 12 minus 5 will be 7. 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 1. Very close, yeah? Now let's round this up to 50. Subtract 50 from here will be 114. Now let's see the actual calculation. Borrow 1 from here, remain 5. Bring it here. 14 minus 8 will be 6. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. There you have it. It's close by. Now, let's round it up to be 30. Subtract 3 tenths from here will be 128. Now let's see the actual calculation. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. 18 minus 9, remain 9. 4 minus 2, and 1. Very close. Let's round this up to the nearest 10, 1/10. Subtract the 1/10 from here will remain 131. So let's see the actual calculation. 141 minus 14. Borrow 1 from here, remain 3. Bring the 1 here. 11 minus 4 will be 7. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Then we have 1. So we have 127. Let's round this up to be 10. Subtract the 10, so we have 146. Now let's do the actual calculation. 156 minus 7. Borrow 1 from here, remain 4. Bring it here. So 16 minus 7 will give 9. 4 minus 0 will be 4. Very close, yeah? Round this up to 30. Subtract 30, 3 tenths from here will be 146. Now let's see the actual calculation. Minus 28. Borrow 1 from here, remain 6. Put it here. 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. And remain 1. There you have it. Close by. Now, round this up to be 40. Subtract 4 tenths from here will remain 152. So let's do the actual calculation. 192 minus 37. Borrow 1 from here, remain 8. Bring it here. 12 minus 7 will be 5. 8 minus 3 will be 5 and 1. Very close. Round this up to 10. So subtract 110 will be 147. I beg your pardon. 147. Now let's do the actual calculation. 157 minus 9. Borrow 1 here, remain 4. Bring the 1 here. 17 minus 7 minus 9 will remain 8. 4 and 1. So there you have it, folks. Compare your answer with mine and do the necessary correction.